Once upon a time, in a not-so-distant future, a young and ambitious individual named Alex embarked on a journey to achieve financial success beyond their wildest dreams. With a burning desire for success and an unyielding determination, Alex set out to make their first $1 million. Alex began their quest with a simple idea, an innovative mobile app that addressed a common problem faced by millions of people. With a background in software development and a passion for entrepreneurship, Alex poured their heart and soul into bringing this app to life. Late nights turned into early mornings as Alex worked tirelessly on the app's development, coding, testing, and refining the user experience. Along the way, they faced numerous challenges and setbacks, but with each obstacle, they grew stronger and more resilient. After months of hard work, the app was finally ready for launch. Alex strategically executed a marketing campaign that created buzz and anticipation among potential users. The day of the launch arrived, and the app hit the app stores with a resounding impact. The response was overwhelming. Users loved the app's simplicity, functionality, and the unique solution it offered to their everyday problems. Positive reviews poured in, and the app quickly gained traction. Within weeks, it reached the top charts in multiple app stores. As the app's popularity soared, Alex's bank account began to grow exponentially. Revenue poured in from app downloads, in-app purchases, and strategic partnerships with other businesses. With the first stream of income secured, Alex realized that diversifying their revenue streams would be crucial to reaching their goal of $1 million. With the app's success as a springboard, Alex explored other business opportunities. They invested in the stock market, focusing on promising technology companies and startups. Some investments paid off handsomely, while others provided valuable lessons. Nonetheless, Alex persevered, learning from both successes and failures, to further expand their income. Alex decided to share their knowledge and experiences with others. They wrote a book about their journey to success, offering valuable insights, tips, and strategies for aspiring entrepreneurs. The book became a bestseller, providing a new revenue stream and increasing Alex's visibility as a thought leader in the business world. With multiple sources of income now generating revenue, Alex saw their bank account steadily climbing. Soon enough, they reached a significant milestone. They made their first $1 million, but this was only the beginning for Alex. Empowered by their success, they continued to innovate, create, and invest. They launched new ventures, mentored other entrepreneurs, and donated to causes they cared deeply about. As word spread about Alex's achievements, they became an inspiration to countless individuals worldwide. They were invited to speak at conferences, sharing their story of determination, hard work, and the importance of giving back. In the end, it wasn't just about the $1 million for Alex. It was about the journey they took, the lives they impacted, and the mark they left on the world. They realized that true success went beyond financial wealth. It was about making a difference, leaving a legacy, and empowering others to chase their dreams. And so, Alex's story continues, as they explore new horizons, face fresh challenges, and inspire countless others to dream big, work hard, and believe in the power of their own potential. For Alex, making the first $1 million was just the beginning of an extraordinary adventure that would shape their life and the lives of many others for years to come. As Alex's journey continued, they remained steadfast in their commitment to personal growth and the pursuit of their passions. The success of their first $1 million only fueled their hunger for more significant accomplishments and the desire to create a lasting impact on the world. With a newfound sense of purpose, Alex established a foundation to support budding entrepreneurs, especially those from underserved communities. They knew firsthand the obstacles that aspiring business owners faced, and they wanted to break down those barriers by providing mentorship, resources, and financial assistance. The foundation quickly gained traction, attracting support from influential individuals and corporations eager to invest in the next generation of innovators. Alex's impact grew beyond their app and book, as they became a beacon of hope for aspiring entrepreneurs from all walks of life. Using their entrepreneurial acumen and a visionary mindset, Alex expanded their portfolio of investments and business ventures. They continued to seek out opportunities that aligned with their values and had the potential to transform industries and improve lives. Through a series of strategic acquisitions and collaborations, Alex built a thriving business empire. They ventured into renewable energy, seeking to make a positive impact on the environment while generating profits through sustainable solutions. Their passion for education led them to invest in cutting-edge technologies to improve access to quality learning worldwide. Virtual reality platforms brought classrooms to remote areas, while AI-driven tutoring systems personalized learning experiences for students of all ages. As Alex's influence grew, they became an advocate for corporate social responsibility and sustainable business practices. They used their platform to encourage other businesses to prioritize environmental conservation, social equality, and ethical practices. In addition to their philanthropic efforts in business ventures, Alex remained dedicated to personal growth and self-discovery. They attended conferences, workshops, and retreats to learn from experts across various fields, continually evolving as a leader and an individual. Despite their immense success, Alex remained grounded and humble, always reminding themselves of the hardships they faced on their journey. They used their story to inspire others to persevere through challenges. Understanding that failure was merely a stepping stone to success, as the years passed, Alex's net worth continued to grow, far beyond their first $1 million. However, their true wealth was measured not only in monetary terms but also in the countless lives they touched and the positive changes they brought to the world. Alex's story became a legend in the business world, a tale of a determined and compassionate individual who achieved greatness not solely for personal gain but for the betterment of society. Their name became synonymous with innovation, philanthropy, and the relentless pursuit of dreams, and so, the continuation of Alex's journey remained an ongoing chapter, a story filled with triumphs, challenges, and the joy of giving back. As they looked back on their life, they knew that making the first $1 million was only the beginning of a remarkable legacy that would continue to inspire and empower generations to come. As the years passed, Alex's impact on the world grew exponentially. Their foundation had helped launch hundreds of startups, fostering innovation and economic growth in communities that had previously been overlooked. Through their philanthropic efforts, they had improved access to education, healthcare, and clean water in remote regions, transforming lives and empowering individuals to build brighter futures. Alex's commitment to environmental sustainability had also made a profound impact. Their investments in renewable energy had contributed to a significant reduction in carbon emissions, paving the way for a greener and more sustainable future. Their businesses led the charge in implementing eco-friendly practices, inspiring other companies to follow suit. The recognition of Alex's contributions transcended borders, and they were bestowed with prestigious awards and honors for their dedication to positive change. But amidst the accolades and success, Alex remained humble, never forgetting their roots and the struggles they had overcome to reach this point. Deeply moved by the impact they had made, Alex realized that they had a responsibility to inspire and mentor the next generation of changemakers. They created a scholarship program, providing young visionaries with the resources and guidance they needed to pursue their dreams fearlessly. Alex's passion for education led them to establish a state-of-the-art research institute focused on advancing science, technology, and sustainable practices. The institute became a hub for innovation and a beacon of knowledge, attracting brilliant minds from around the world. As time went on, Alex found balance between their work and personal life, cherishing moments with loved ones and embracing the beauty of life beyond business. They enjoyed traveling to far-off places, connecting with diverse cultures, and gaining new perspectives that enriched their understanding of the world. In an unprecedented move, Alex decided to shift a significant portion of their wealth towards a groundbreaking project aimed at tackling global challenges. They partnered with international organizations, governments, and fellow visionaries to launch a multifaceted initiative for poverty eradication, environmental restoration, and humanitarian aid, with their relentless determination and ability to rally people together. Alex became a driving force in tackling some of the world's most pressing issues. They stood as a testament to the power of individual action and the ripple effect it could create on a global scale. As they reflected on their journey, Alex realized that their first $1 million had not been just about financial success. It had been the catalyst for a life defined by purpose, impact, and meaningful connections. Their story was not just a tale of making money but a tale of making a difference. As the years passed, Alex's name would be etched in history as a true visionary, an embodiment of what a single person, fueled by passion and compassion, could achieve. They continued to inspire generations, their legacy woven into the very fabric of a better and brighter future for all. And so, the continuation of Alex's story was not just about personal accomplishments, it was about leaving a lasting imprint on humanity, guiding future generations to dream big, think boldly, and pursue success with a heart full of purpose. As long as their legacy lived on, Alex's impact on the world would never fade, and the echoes of their journey would continue to inspire the world to reach for greatness, one dream at a time. As the years continued to unfold, Alex's commitment to making a difference remained unwavering. Their initiatives and projects expanded, touching every corner of the globe, and leaving a trail of positive change in their wake. With the support of their foundation, countless entrepreneurs who once struggled to see their dreams come to life were now thriving business owners, creating jobs and contributing to the prosperity of their communities. The impact of these success stories resonated far beyond monetary gains, as hope and inspiration spread like wildfire, empowering others to pursue their own visions of success. In the realm of renewable energy, Alex's dedication to sustainability paid off. Their ventures not only helped reduce the world's carbon footprint but also became pioneers in the development of breakthrough technologies. Clean and affordable energy solutions became accessible to those in need, elevating the quality of life and preserving the planet for future generations. But it was Alex's humanitarian efforts that truly captured the world's heart. From providing aid to war-torn regions to supporting disaster-stricken communities, their foundation's relief efforts brought comfort and healing to countless lives. The transformation of entire communities, once marked by hardship, was now fueled by hope and resilience. In their quest for education, the research institute they established became a beacon of innovation, fostering collaboration among brilliant minds across disciplines. Together, they tackled some of humanity's most significant challenges, pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and driving progress in medicine, technology, and social sciences. Beyond their projects, Alex remained deeply involved in philanthropy and advocacy. Their voice became a powerful instrument for social change, advocating for equality, human rights, and environmental protection on global platforms. They used their privilege to amplify the voices of the marginalized, empowering them to have their say in shaping a fairer and more just world. Despite their tremendous success, Alex remained rooted in humility and empathy. They often spoke about their journey from humble beginnings to where they stood now, reminding others that anyone could make a difference, no matter their background or circumstances. In an extraordinary act of generosity, Alex pledged a significant portion of their wealth to establish an international scholarship program. This program aimed to create opportunities for underprivileged students from all corners of the world to access quality education and realize their potential. As time went on, Alex's name became synonymous with hope, compassion, and the relentless pursuit of positive change. Their legacy reached far beyond making money. It was a legacy of compassion, integrity, and a steadfast belief in the human potential to overcome adversity and achieve greatness. Throughout their life, Alex had transformed from an ambitious individual with a dream to a global leader whose actions transformed lives, communities, and the world at large. Their story became a symbol of what humanity could achieve when guided by compassion, vision, and the unwavering determination to make a difference. As the sun set on another chapter of Alex's life, they knew that their story was far from over. Their journey was now interwoven with the countless stories of the lives they had touched and inspired. Their purpose had evolved into something greater than themselves, to leave a lasting legacy of hope, progress, and positive change that would continue to shape the world for generations to come. And so, the continuation of Alex's story was an ever-evolving narrative of compassion, courage, and transformation. It was a tale of dreams fulfilled and dreams given life. As they looked ahead to the future, they knew that the impact they had made was only the beginning, an enduring legacy of hope that would echo in the hearts of humanity for eternity.